Today, we are putting the new DeepSeek V4 Pro model through a grueling stress test, running completely locally on our own hardware. We're going to bypass the marketing hype and throw two massive practical challenges at it. First, asking it to autonomously patch a broken web app architecture, and second, forcing it to hand-build a complex interactive physics engine entirely from scratch. This terminal log displays the execution results of our benchmark scripts. You can see the agentic scores for the production build are up sharply from the July preview, jumping from 72 to 88 on TerminalBench and 53 to 83 on CyberGym. This markdown table compares those specific new open-weight scores directly against closed frontier models. DeepSeek V4 Pro is sitting shoulder to shoulder with Fable 5, and it has clearly cleared Opus 4.8 in both TerminalBench and CyberGym metrics. Scoring this high while running locally proves that these open-weight models have crossed the threshold into viable candidates for elite-level autonomous workflows. Let's move into our first test environment. We have a broken full-stack application that needs a diagnosis. This diagram maps out the backend architecture flow. The system receives a job at the FastAPI backend, passes it to a Redis pub/sub worker, and finally stores the result in a SQLite database. But this browser dashboard shows exactly where the system is failing. Job 4092 is stuck on pending indefinitely, and the backend isn't throwing any explicit crash errors. Silent hanging asynchronous bugs like this are notoriously difficult to track down. Because there is no crash log, a human developer has to manually isolate the bottleneck across the entire stack. Instead of hunting for the bug ourselves, we're initializing the Hermes agent locally. We connect it to DeepSeek V4 Pro, pass it the full stack repository, and issue a raw command to fix the broken job queue with 0 hints or handholding. This side-by-side git diff shows the agent's autonomous code changes. It analyzed the worker logic, identified the hanging pub/sub issue, and completely rewrote the synchronous white block into a proper asynchronous event loop. Finding this specific logic flaw across a multi-file repository requires deep context understanding. The agent had to trace the flow of data from the API down to the worker and apply the correct asynchronio patch entirely on its own. Returning to the internal dashboard and doing a hard refresh, we can see the result. The end-to-end pipeline now processes seamlessly, and the stalled queue is clearing instantly, with jobs marked as done. Issuing a structural fix of this scale from a single open-ended prompt demonstrates local weights can manage the entire debugging lifecycle autonomously. Now we shift from back-end debugging to our second challenge, testing the model's spatial reasoning and creative execution on the front end. We're issuing a highly restrictive prompt in the local AI studio, a single HTML file animating a lamb roast over flames, built strictly in raw canvas and JavaScript. Banning external libraries forces the model to construct its own mathematical coordinate systems and particle effects from scratch. This execution log reveals the intense chain of thought process, actively calculating fat drip physics and optimizing the render cycle. Notice the 16-minute elapsed time. Do not cancel these long reasoning loops locally. This extended time is when complex structural logic is formulated. Waiting 16 minutes for an execution is a highly valuable trade-off when the result is a completely zero-shot custom architectural generation. Opening the generated HTML file in VS Code, we can inspect the raw output. Scanning through the dense JavaScript functions verifies that absolutely no external scripts or dependencies were snuck into the build. When we launch that raw file in a browser, we see the model successfully rendered the scene. We have dynamic flame particles calculating in real time beneath a fluidly spinning rotisserie. The build is completely interactive. We adjust rotation physics using the custom speed knob and trigger particle effects with the Sprinkle Spices button. As user inputs apply, real-time rendering accurately calculates searing effects, changing graphical properties to char the lamb. Looking under the hood with the browser developer tools, we can inspect the canvas DOM element. The raw JavaScript effectively attached all of these custom event listeners natively to handle the physics and user inputs. Producing a completely interactive, dependency-free physics scene from a single prompt requires a level of spatial comprehension that was previously locked behind expensive API walls. We've just seen a local model autonomously patch a complex asynchronous backend and hand-build a highly interactive graphical frontend. This JSON block summarizes the session's final statistics. The model delivers extreme cost efficiency while matching the capability and reasoning of proprietary models. Based on these successful deployments, evidence shows local models have reached the performance tier once exclusive to proprietary APIs. Now it's your turn. Download the framework, copy the prompts from the description below, and test the limits of these local models on your own hardware.